Hello everyone, I'm Dima from Integrations channel, and in this video I would like to revisit one more creational design pattern named Singleton. So from Gemini we can see that the Singleton pattern is a creational design pattern. Its main purpose is to make sure that you have only one instance of the class, and it is used like globally across all the application. And key characteristics are like a private constructor, static instance variable, public static method. So where it can be used for different type of shared resources, for example different configs, loggers, and sometimes you might see errors like the instance was already initiated, so you don't need to connect the same library multiple times and initialize it, or like different global access points. You can use the same access of for single object in different part of your code base, and example like might be like state management in your application. So different examples of usage like for logging, caching, and other things. So my recommendation is actually to not only watch the video but also to write code so you can better understand. So let's start from class config. It will be and constructor, creating private constructor. So let's say this port 1 2 3 4 5 6, something like that. So then we can have method like set data is equal to some function that will make take parameter of the port and update it. This port is equal to port parameter, and get data will be just a function that will return for now only the port. So it will return this port. So yeah, we have created a very simple class with the constructions, two methods. So let's see const my config, new config k, and console log my config dot get data. So let's see what if it will work. Yeah, so it works, and it show us some information. And if we will create another config, my config2 new config, and it will also log the same data, yes, but actually those two objects will be like a different entities. So if we will display are the same, and we'll put something like this. So yeah, so we see that false. So actually we are comparing two objects and they are not having the same link. So that's what we are trying to solve with this pattern. So the main idea will be, let's say if we have config and let's say instance, this is a custom property, we will return config instance, and when we call the first time, we will save it to this. So in this case, if the constructor was called multiple times, we will return the existing entity. So let's try and see if it will work. So yeah, right now they are the same. So let's even try to do something like config2 set data, so you can update some data, for example 4 5 6 7 8 9 and clean everything and run it. So you can see the first time that it was the first initial value of the port, the second time for the new object it was like updated, but still they are the same, so it's the one entity. So thanks and see you in the next one, and please like and subscribe